Ẹ má ṣe jẹ́ ká ka ìtàn, àṣà àti ìṣe tó gbajúgbajà nílẹ̀ Nàìjíríà, eléyìí tá ń gbọ́ nígbà tá ń dàgbà sí. Today we're going to be debunking popular Yoruba myths as regards the food culture we heard or we knew while growing up. Ìkíní ni pé àwọn èèyàn wá sọ pé ká máa jẹ ẹ̀wà. Àwọn máa ń force wa ká máa jẹ ẹ̀wà. Pé tá bá ti jẹ ẹ̀wà, pé ẹ̀wà máa jẹ́ ká ga. Pé àní kúrú tá bá jẹ ẹ̀wà. So you see, being tall and eating beans, they're like this. They are mutually exclusive. They are two parallel lines. They don't relate. So eating beans does not make you tall. In fact, people even have the notion that beans has more protein than carbs, but that's not true. Although beans contains protein, but it is still a rich source of carbohydrates and has more carbohydrates. Eating beans does not make you tall. Don't pass that down to your children. Okay. Ìkejì ni pé nígbà tá kéré wọ́n sọ fún wa pé tá bá jẹ ojú ẹja pé a máa yọ lódò, àbí tá bá jẹ ọpọlọ ẹja, àbí tá bá mu omi àgbọn pé a máa yọ lódò, àbí àkànní mọ́ kankan nígbà tá wà kékeré ànímọ́ anything. But Sherry, it is false. Èmi jẹ ojú ẹja nígbà tí mo kéré o, and I still came top in my class. Sherry, omi àgbọn ó tiẹ̀ ní àǹfààní gan tó ń ṣe lára. So those myths, let us debunk that. Don't let us pass it down to our children. Let our children eat fish eyes or fish's eyes as they want. Let them eat what they want. It does not make them dull in school. I mean, come on. Ìmí tá máa ń gbọ́ nígbà tá kéré náà ni pé téèyàn bá ń jẹ ilá àbí tó bá ń jẹ ìgbín pé kò ní jẹ́ kó máa lọ síwájú, pé ayé á máa fà. Sorry. Eating snail, eating okra does not slow one's destiny. I mean, wọ́n tún máa sọ pé àkí aláboyún má jẹ ilá o, kó má jẹ ìgbín torí pé ọmọ tó wà nínú ẹ̀ pé kò ní tètè rìn àbí á máa fà. You see all this stuff? They do not correlate. Our destiny is not tied to okra. Our destiny is not tied to food. Eléyìí tá tún gbọ́ ni pé kò yẹ kéèyàn máa jẹun tó bá ti wà ní ìdúró pé a máa jẹ́ kí oúnjẹ yẹn á máa lọ sí ẹsẹ̀. Oh my love. How will the food go from the mouth to the legs? That does not work. Okay, there's no pipe connecting the mouth to the legs. I mean. Ìmí tá tún gbọ́ nígbà tá kéré ni pé ká má máa mu gàrí, pé gàrí máa ń fa ojú fífọ́ àbí kójú máa yúnyàn. Well, gàrí doesn't cause blindness, okay? And although people have reported itching when they take gàrí in time past, not in recent times, and that's because of a chemical called cyanide, which is found in poorly processed gàrí. Cyanide is naturally found in cassava, and gàrí isn't well processed. There could still be high levels of that cyanide in gàrí, which can be attributed to the itching of the eyes. But in recent times, we do not have poorly processed gàrí. Most of the gàrí now are or all of the gàrí now we eat are well processed. So gàrí has never even caused blindness. Do you understand? Now this video is in collaboration with Discover Yoruba. It's an African platform where they talk about the rich Yoruba culture, and you get to also connect with your roots if you're Yoruba.